And coming back again, talking about self-improvement. I'm listening to the book right now. It sells Power of Gratitude. I don't know if you ever try or read anything about being grateful, but it's definitely changing my attitude and um, my life, I would say. It's not such a it's reality. I'm not making it up, but when you wake up in the morning, and I understand that, most of us going through the tough time right now because of this COVID. It's uncertainty. We are losing jobs. We don't know what's going to happen, but if you start to be grateful for small things, like if you even think about, that if you wake up in the morning, millions of people on the earth didn't wake up. They die while they're asleep. If you can breathe, just think about people who are hooked to these machines, in a hospital, and they cannot breathe. If you have a meal in your table, we do not realize, we are living in the United States, and hunger, I know that there is hunger existing in the United States, but majority of population, we are not going to bed hungry, or we are not thinking of what we're gonna do or what we're gonna eat tomorrow. Our problem here, it's overweight, and we need to choose the foods that we are eating, but just start being grateful for the small things, even the sunshine. Isn't it beautiful? Look around. Look how pretty it is. Look at this blue sky. And it's, like, I'm like majority of the people. I'm getting depressed, out of nowhere. I don't want to get out of bed sometimes, but if you just start your morning with writing 3 things that you are grateful for, even if you think you don't have much, you have a roof over your head, right? Or even if you don't, and you lost your home sometimes, like you're still alive. Or you have your car where you sleep in, or you have some kind person who bought you a meal. Like, just try not to compare yourself to to the people who has, from your point of view, everything, because you don't know, even if they live in a beautiful mansion, you don't know if they're happy. How many people kill themselves, like, you look at them, you think they're more successful and happy person, and then you read in the news that they committed suicide. It's all inside us. It's everything that we have or don't have. Be grateful for it. Like, try to sometimes when I'm sitting at the airport and my plane is late, I'm getting pissed off, of course, like, couple hours sitting there, it's not fun. But then you just think that this delay, because they find a problem in a plane, which they're gonna fix. And if they wouldn't, it can be an accident and you can die. Just try to be more positive, more smiling, and your life can improve. Thank you.